So I really wanted my player to be able to swim, so I bought the instant swimmable water pack because it was on sale for $9 and it's usually $20. So I got it for 50% off, and I essentially followed this really good tutorial that I can link in the description, and essentially I integrated it with the system found in my game. So yeah, after the map loads up, I can just show you. Essentially, I started by making a traffic system, a very basic one. And as you can see, the cars drive around, and it's pretty slow. I mean, the world's a little choppy because it tries to load everything in at once. And yeah, I created like a safe. Yeah, look, they almost get into accidents sometimes, and I added like a beeping. And I also, after I bought this advanced water system, I integrated it with the advanced locomotion system. So let me just create like a puddle. So like landscape, I'm gonna use erosion. I'm gonna like make a puddle essentially. So now essentially I have pretty basic swimming animations now, and I've got like a swimming character. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Honestly, I think I was thinking too big for my very first project. I think that I'm not going to be able to build a video game from this because there's simply just too much stuff, and yeah, but it's still a possibility. I'm going to keep working on it, but I'm really not sure if I did everything right or what I can really do to make everything work the best it possibly can. So yeah, hope you enjoyed and see you in the next